Hey plant people, it's been a minute. Welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Leek and this is Happy Plants Grow, where we discuss all things nature and our commitment to growing houseplants, veggies, and herbs with lots of love and lots of learning. Let's get right into it. So spring is near, so let's do a seed starting mix. I got this recipe from CaliKim. I love her channel, so I chose to use her recipe, which calls for cocoa core, vermiculite, and worm castings. Now, the cocoa core is the brick that you see me trying to dehydrate. I'm using hot water. CaliKim actually used warm water. I thought by using hot water, I could make the process go a little bit faster. I was wrong. It actually took me about 20 to 25 minutes to get it all dehydrated. I probably should have done the whole thing off camera, but I wanted to show you a little bit of the process. But here is some of it coming apart. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up because I want you to see how difficult this was and how much elbow grease I really had to put into it. As you can see, I'm starting to make some headway. And by the power of editing, I am done. That was the whole brick of cocoa core. That came out to be quite a lot. And it's very, very fluffy. I'm very excited. So what I'm gonna do is put that in another medium and start the mix. So the recipe itself calls for 3 parts cocoa core, 1 part vermiculite, and 1 part worm castings. So I've already put the 3 parts of cocoa core in the bin using that pot that I just put the vermiculite in. So here I'm adding the 1 part of the vermiculite. Now I'm gonna add 1 part worm castings. Now we mix, and keep in mind this is just the first batch. I'm going to do this for all of that cocoa core that was produced by that 1 brick. Let's speed up the mixing here. And what you see me doing is the worm castings had a lot of chunks in them. So I'm just trying to break apart the chunks and just make sure everything is mixed in really, really well. And again, by the magic of editing, we are all done. And as you can see, I also have already filled in some of the starter cells with the mix. But this is my whole bin of mix. And I just wanted to put my hands in it because it felt so good and fluffy and nice. So if you need to store this, you just let it dry out and you add your top. Now I'm thinking I may get a flatter, more shallow storage bin so they can dry it a little bit faster, but that's it, you're done. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.